An FIR has been filed at my police station that Miss Sanaya Raichand has gone missing all of a sudden. Is that true?
FIR? Who filed it?
I did.
He has filed an FIR at the police station.
To die for love.
Arohi, you are here?
Deep, I'm very scared. What if Sanaya? What if something happened to Sanaya? I feel very sorry. I shouldn't have talked to Sanaya that way. You know, she wanted to tell me something. But I was so angry that I didn't even listen to her. And now I think that I should have at least listened to her.
It's good that she died, otherwise she had caused me trouble. You can ask her when she's found.
Deep, why don't you call our relatives and ask about her? She might have gone to someone's house. They might know. Please call them.
Have you ever seen any relative here? Because there aren't any. I mean, all of my dad's relatives are in America. And you already know about Mom. She has no relative at all.
So in that case, she might have friends, right? We can ask them at least. Come on, Deep.
As far as I know, Sanaya didn't have any friend. And I have no idea if she had any friend or not.
What are you saying, Deep? Nobody is doing anything over here. We must do something to find Sanaya. I am going.
Hey, where are you going?
To the police.
You spoke about me and I'm here, Arohi. An FIR has been filed at my police station that Miss Sanaya Raichand has gone missing all of a sudden. Is that true?
FIR? Who filed it?
I did.
He has filed an FIR at the police station. You had a fight with Sanaya, right? And since then she has been missing. You must come to police station along with me. Come.
It's odd, Inspector. I think I'll have to explain you the law. When somebody's missing, police waits for 24 hours and then waits for that person to return. And after that, they begin the interrogation. So your FIR is invalid until there's hope that Sanaya will return.
Bravo, Mr. Raichand. Nobody would break the law if everyone knew so much about law. Even police wouldn't be required then. I would have taken premature retirement and relaxed. But that's not the case.
Right now, we don't need you. We'll call you when we will need you. It's my family matter. I want this to remain inside the house.
Yes, that's true. That's why your brother has filed the FIR. I'll have to inquire once an FIR has been filed. Arohi must come to the police station with me.
Arohi won't go anywhere. I'm calling my lawyer. Talk to him.
Hey, Mr. Raichand, you please don't bother. And don't bother your lawyer too. Fine, I won't take her to the police station. Would you mind if I'll interrogate her right here?
You see, I surely had an argument with Sanaya. But it wasn't a big fight that... Even I want Sanaya to come back safe and sound as soon as possible. Ask me whatever you want to ask. I am ready.
I don't know what will Arohi say if she goes to the police station. What should I do?
What's the matter, Mr. Raichand? You are in a deep thought. Everything okay?
You just want to investigate, right? So do it. You go ahead. I will get Arohi to the police station.
That's great. Thank you for your cooperation. I'll wait for you. Come soon.
Let's go.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.